Hello everyone! Today I'm here with Haas Junk to offer you some tips and tricks to clean out a garage. Plenty of homeowners find themselves with this problem. The garage is a dumping ground for stuff we don't really need, and eventually it becomes overwhelming. You may not even have space to park your car. Don't worry, you're not alone. Here's our tried and true method to make garage clean out easy. Step 1 is to take everything out of the garage. Pick a set of days with nice weather and bring everything out onto the lawn or driveway. Once that's done, you can properly sort the items. You're going to have 3 categories: things to keep, to donate, and to get rid of. The best rule of thumb to follow is if the item hasn't been used in over a year, you shouldn't keep it. If you have more stuff than you can handle on your own, consider calling a junk removal or dumpster rental service like ours. We can bring a large dumpster to your home and help you fill it up. If you need help hauling large items, our team can help with that too. When the dumpster is full, we take it away and dispose of it all for you, making the task a little bit easier. Step 2 is to clean the garage itself. At this point, the garage should be empty, but it's probably got years of dirt, dust, and grime buildup. Cluttered garages can easily become hosts for pests, mold, and other messes. So be sure that any of these things are cleaned up. Give the floors a good wash and dust off any shelves. This was also a good time to check for water leaks or pooling, as well as animal holes and other damages. Finally, when the garage is clean and dry, and you have only the items left that you want to keep, it's time to put things back. Consider how best to organize your garage. Keeping things accessible helps prevent clutter from building back up. Using shelves and storage bins is useful for this. Be sure you have space to park your car. If it's a tight squeeze, try hanging an ornament from the ceiling that you can line up with the car's mirror to help you park in the same spot every time. If you've finished all 3 steps, congratulations! Enjoy your newly reclaimed garage space. If you have yet to face the challenge of cleaning out your garage and want some help, consider reaching out to our team at Haas Junk. For years, we have been helping people across Western Washington declutter their spaces. Visit our website at haasjunkremoval.com for more information. Thank you for watching.